Mahindra Bank, which has launched an affluent banking program, Solitaire. My colleague Anjali Palod interacted with Rohit Bhasin, President and Head of Affluent HNI and Business Banking, to understand the growth prospects of the bank's affluent business segment. Let's listen into excerpt of that conversation.
Affluent is a very important part of our strategy. It's one of the biggest segments that we operate in. And also, Affluent as a segment is growing at twice the rate of rest of the banking industry. Therefore, it's a fast-growing segment and really increasing in numbers, and that's why we want to gain faster share here. We're not looking at one specific thing of fee or balance sheet. It's a holistic program. We fundamentally believe that we're not doing this only to do balance sheet or fee. We want to do this to really be able to meet the unserved needs of the affluent customers and provide a unified proposition across the whole Kotak group, and by doing that be able to build a higher relationship with this customer. And when we build a higher relationship with this customer and higher product holding with this customer, the overall business and profitability grows for us.
Right. And for Kotak, I want to understand how big is the affluent or the HNI segment for you right now, and with this program, how much of a share do you see that having in the Kotak, in the entire Kotak Bank?
So the affluent business is anywhere between 35 to 36% of our book, and our goal is to grow at a faster rate than the market. So we want to gain share in the affluent segment this year and the years to come.
Right, since you mentioned market share overall for across banks or wealth managers, if you look at the affluent segment, where does Kotak stand right now, and where do you see that going?
So we have about a 4% share in this segment, higher than the 2% share that we have on an overall banking industry.
Understood. And finally, what are the metrics that you are looking at monitoring, let's say over the next 12-18 months, to look at how successful the program has been?
So the first thing really is we want to make sure that we have a higher number of customers. Number of customers is the first metric. The second metric is product holding, because when you are looking at the affluent base, their product holding is significantly higher than the rest of the customer base. We want to increase the product holding. And the third is we want to grow our share faster than the market.